Pag sinabi mo kasing identity thief ka, ibig sabihin, meron kang tao na, may identity na inanakaw mo. Kung nagpe-pretend ka lang, as in, build ka ng persona na totally different, na imaginary character ito, pwede mo pa sabihin na victimless crime yun. Pero, even then, the people na niloloko mo using that identity, na ginagawa mo yung identity na yun, interacting with them, alam mo yung mga gumagawa ng fake account or mga dummy account, mga alter account, tapos they use it to interact with other people. So, parang catfishing yung ganap. Like, hindi pa rin siya victimless kasi kung may ka-interact ka using that identity, you're basically fooling that person na you're someone else. So, yeah, you could be in pain and not hurt someone. That's my thing.
That's your thing. I know.
Pwede yun.
Siya yung isa sa mga tao na kilala ko na hindi mananakit. As in,
well,
people.
I try.
But,
ayan.
I mean,
trigger warning, medyo mas self-destructive ako kaysa sa
yun ang kanyang
paloob yung
coping.
paloob
ang
yung
tendencies.
yung pananakit.
Nandun.
Yeah,
pero,
but yun nga, wag po siya